Buena gente, bienvenidos a un nuevo vídeo. Hoy nos toca pescar tempranito, son las 6:43 de la mañana, ahí que podéis ver. Y he quedado con dos colegas para ir a pescar. Y nada, a ver qué sale el día de hoy, a ver si podemos tener más suerte, no como en el vídeo anterior. Y nada, nos vemos ahora. Bueno chavales, ya hemos llegado, aquí estamos con los chavales.
Buenas, hoy venimos a pescar.
Hoy venimos a pescar.
El
agua está muy bien, está prácticamente rasa, como el planito anterior que os he dejado. Y nada, sacamos las cosas del coche y nos ponemos al lío. Mirad gente cómo tenemos el mar hoy. Perfectísimo para sacar un buen pescaete. Y nada, te dejo con el vídeo. Bueno chavales, vamos a probar el vino del día anterior de Express. Y vamos a ver si es suerte. ¿Y sale algo?
Baby, how you do it like that? I just need you right here. Maybe it's the moonlight, yeah. Do it right, yeah. I can't see the sky's falling. We on top of love. Love is cold. Whatever you got, I want some more. How you move, baby, how you move like that? Losing my cool right here. Just like you like that. Baby, how you move.
Ah, qué pena. Tenemos ahí.
I just need money and vibes, don't need none of that toxic shit. My social battery gone, I gotta stay out the mix. I'm tryna be so rich, I put that out in lit. Call you and say where you at, already know what time it is. What to win, I turn my back. So many man get scarred for life, so when I'm outside, don't know, I don't lack. Ain't gonna lie, I watch the dime, but I hit them hoes too, though I admit. Me and this bread get along too well when I put in this fit, I feel like him. You want my attention bad, but I ain't the guy that I was before. I heard them stories about you, there's no way I'm hitting it raw. You don't wanna get misled, you wanna feel secure. Can't even lie, you're cool when you wanted to fuck, though I weren't too sure. I just need money and vibes, don't need none of that toxic shit. My social battery gone, I gotta stay out the mix. I'm tryna be so rich, I put that out in lit. Call you and say where you at, already know what time it is. I don't wanna be in the mix, I'd rather grind and stay on the low. Half these man got a lot to post, but ain't got nothing to show.
Ah, claro, están aquí rondando a tope. No me lo puedo creer.
Vamos chavales, hemos tenido la tercera picada. En este caso era una guisa, pero claro, como no podemos coger guisas, bueno, para mi parecer no me sirve para nada. Hemos tenido la segunda un dorado, bastante, pesaría 2 kilos o por ahí. Y vamos a ver qué sale más. A ver si podemos sacar algo porque se me está saltando todo el rato aquí en los pies.
Besitos, ¿eh? otro más.
So, this shit crazy.
A celebration of existence.
Yo, was gonna reach out to you right now, but I just see BA with the stress. Don't even put it on your mum's life. All that's promised in life is death. Didn't wanna break your heart, but if you want, I'll say it with chest. I go so hard, I'm D&D, cause I can't be broken low like them. It was that deep, me in the backseat thinking, yo, let's get them guys. K got locked just recently, and now it got me thinking twice. Only right that I got me a wife. When I'm single, I cannot focus, yo. You man feel outspoken, me, I just feel like I can't be open. Each and every one of us got motion, so our dependence gonna be frozen. You man talk freely about me when I'm there. The energy different, if I bail you, I hear excuses. If you bail me, I'm there in an instant. There ain't no cheat codes to the success. Just gotta grind and stay consistent. Yo, every day for me is the start of the week. Gotta rise up, get this P. Yo, for everyone else, not me. I grew up where nobody makes it out. It's prominent, they gonna hate to see. Think no way, why not me? I'm D&D like I wanna sleep. Was gonna reach out to you right now, but I just see BA with the stress. Don't even put it on your mum's life. All that's promised in life is death. Didn't wanna break your heart, but if you want, I'll say it with chest. I go so hard, I'm D&D, cause I can't be broken low like them. Recently, my anger been getting out of hand. Didn't ask for a helping hand, and as a result, I'm counting bands. Big man when I act so bad, but when I hopped out, it's doing the dash. Hey, make it make sense. This track like therapy to me. Demons affect my mental. You said that I ain't shit. Flip the script, now I'm judgmental. Homegirl got heartbroken, now she debating being a slag. It's mad cause I dropped 2 M's last year, just turned that down, it's mad. KMT like, what the fuck? Me bro 2 Rambos up, shit don't wanna affect my image. How dare you say I'm privileged? I was broke, you just don't listen. Was gonna reach out to you right now, but I just see BA with the stress. Don't even put it on your mum's life. All that's promised in life is death.
Pues bueno gente, este ha sido el vídeo de hoy. Hemos tenido buenas capturitas. Y nada, espero que os haya gustado. Nos vemos en el siguiente.
Already know what time it is. What to win, I turn my back. So many man get scarred for life, so when I'm outside, don't know, don't lack.